Hi Vijay. Uh, don't know, don't know where to start. It's more than 11 years working with you in Sonata, and you are always like a go-to person whenever there is any technical challenge which we could not solve ourselves. And you are never like a boss or a manager, at least to me. And I can discuss anything or everything openly with no hiding of emotions and seek advices from you, being it professional or personal life. And you are like a Bible or a role model to the team, I would say. Uh, Definitely will be missing big time in projects and Sonata, and obviously we will be in touch. And AX also is so small, so probably we'll work together again. Hope we'll work together again. And yeah, thanks a lot for all your support. And stay healthy. Thanks again. All the very best, Vijay. Thanks.
Hi sir, good morning. All the best for your future and your future endeavors. And so, what I felt, I'm saying frankly, you didn't work as like a boss. You worked as a colleague only with us. I'm not sure about other people on previous projects. It's a very good time to work with you. I think I can say you are the manager I haven't seen before or entire in my career who worked like this and who spent much time like this on technical side or grooming the people, giving the tasks and whatever you were handling the cases. I haven't seen this kind of stuff. I'm frankly saying you haven't worked with like a boss. You worked with as a just like how we are working means as a, not a manager as a resource. You worked with us. That is a very helped us to proceed further tasks. Thank you, sir. Saying again, you are very special to me because of I haven't seen this kind of managers. Uh, Definitely we will meet very soon, I guess, because AX is the very small world. Thank you, sir.
Hi Vijay, I'm very happy for your new role and thank you for the opportunity given with your upgrade project. I will meet you in anywhere. This AX world is small, right? Thank you.
Hi Vijay sir, how are you? Actually, I'm really surprised to hear this news. Anyway, all the best to your future. Thank you, sir.
Hi Vijay. First of all, thank you for letting us to be a part of this project where we have learned so much, and you have helped us in understanding all the concept which we have asked you, and not only in professional, and you have helped us in personal also. Yeah, thank you for everything, and good luck for your future. And yeah, we'll miss you, Vijay.
Hi Vijay, thank you for your support and guidance. We are glad to work with you. All the best for your future.
Hi Vijay, you have provided a great support and care towards me, and I have learned a lot from you. And thank you for providing me a better opportunities towards the upgrade. And all the best for your next career.
Hi sir, congratulations for your new work. As a fresher, we joined in this project. We have learned lot of things from you, and where we are now is all because of your supportive and guidance throughout all the situations. Thank you so much, sir. I never thought managers will be like you, as simple and cool. Thank you for your guidance. All the best for your next step of career, sir.
Hi sir, thank you for guiding us throughout the project. You have never been only as a manager for us. Your guidance made some knowledge into us. We joined as an ETG into our project. It will be so tough to work with the ETGs for new projects and all, but I think you have to taken the risk and guided us to the best. We'll surely miss you, sir. Even though when you are not there in office, please guide us. I think experience will only teach us the better. All the best for your future career, sir.
Hi Vijay, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Thank you for providing immense support for achieving more. You are truly a great inspiration for all of us. I wish you to reach more heights of success in your life and all the best.
Hi Vijay, I'm very much grateful to you to have you as a manager. You're very supportive and you have given us such a wonderful guidance to all of us. A million thanks to you. I wish you lots of success and happiness coming forward.
Hi Vijay, thank you for providing us opportunity to work in upgrade project and also helping us throughout the process. All the best for your future and we'll miss you.
Hi Vijay, congrats for new job. Great experience to work with a boss like you. I will always remember you, Vijay. Compared to the other managers, you are the different and you are unique, and no one can replace your place in Sonata. So today the company loses a great leader, and keep in touch, Vijay.